Small auto accident.
Hi, Carol. Did you get a new car?
Hi, Jane. No, this is a rental car. I was in an auto accident yesterday.
Are you okay?
Yeah. My back hurts a little, but luckily I was not seriously injured.
Did you go to the hospital?
Yeah. I went there this morning. The doctor took some did x-rays. Nothing is serious. I just have some bruises.
I am glad you are okay. Was there another car involved?
Yeah, the other driver re-rented me at a red light.
Wow. Is he or she okay?
Yeah. He seemed okay at the scene.
This could have been a serious accident.
I know. We both are lucky.
Where is your car? Is it getting fixed?
No. It's too damaged to be repaired. It's at the junkyard now.
That's terrible. Is your insurance going to pay for a new car?
Well, it was the other driver's fault, so his insurance is going to take care of it.
That's good. Are you going to buy the same type of car?
I think so. I loved that car. It protected me in this accident.
Husband and wife conversation. How was your day at the office, dear?
It was the same as usual.
You seems different today. Everything all right?
Yes, dear. Everything is fine. I just had a busy day at the office.
Okay.
How was your day?
Oh, I learned a new recipe on the internet today. I was thinking of trying it for dinner tomorrow.
Interesting. What is that recipe?
It's a variation of grilled chicken.
That is wonderful, dear. Can't wait to try it out.
Why do I feel like you do not spend enough time with me these days?
I already told you I was busy. By the time I get home, I am totally exhausted.
Doctor and petient conversation. Good evening, doctor.
Good evening. You look pale and your voice is out of tune.
Yes, doctor. I am running a temperature and have a sore throat.
Let me see.
He touches the forehead to feel the temperature.
You have moderate fever.
This temperature is very different from the one you used the last time. Unlike the earlier one which was placed below the tongue, this one snapped around one of the fingers.
Yes, this is a new introduction by medical equipment companies. It's much more convenient, as it doesn't require cleaning after every use.
That's awesome.
Yes, it is.
He removed the thermometer and looks at the reading.
Not too high. Your blood pressure is fine. Do you get sweating and shivering?
Not sweating, but I feel somewhat cold when I sit under a fan.
Okay, you have few symptoms of malaria. I would suggest you undergo blood test. Nothing to worry about. In most cases, the tests come out to be negative. It's just precautionary, as there have been spurt in malaria cases in the last month or so. I am prescribing 3 medicines and syrup. The number of dots in front of each tells you how many times in the day you have taken them. Do you have any other questions?
No, doctor. Thank you.